How many of you think that habits formation is a very difficult task? It is very difficult for me to improve myself and adopt a new habit. How many of you think it is a tedious task to work again and again to form a new habit? Actually, what is a habit? Habit is a behavioral pattern where you do not have to think about before doing it. Like breathing. You don't have to consciously think about it. It is unconsciously or subconsciously doing yourself. You don't have to think about it. This is a habit. It's a habit formation. And habit formation takes a time. Some said it's take 21 days, some said it's a 60 days. And there's a different theories for that. A best-selling author, Brian Tracy, in his best-selling book $1 Million Habits, has given us 7 steps to form a habit. So I will show you the 7 steps and see if it helps to form a new habit for you. The first step is make a decision. Yes, decision is the ultimate base of your habit formation. Until and unless you make a decision, you cannot start formation of habit. So have a firm decision that you want to change a habit and then start working on it. Second, never give an excuse for doing that behavior on habit. Like if you want to have an habit of morning exercise, do want to form a morning, so never give an excuse that my body is not feeling well, today is raining. No, never give an excuse. Third, tell other people that you are going to form a new habit, and so that it makes accountable. It's make accountable to you that you are starting a new thing and making a new habit. Fourth one is visualize that you are doing that habit. Visualize yourself that in the morning you are wake up and doing exercise daily. The fourth step is, so how many steps have I given? Making a decision, never give excuse, tell others, visualization, and the fifth step is make an affirmation for yourself for formation of it. Like if we are taking an example of morning, so you can have an affirmation like I get up early in the morning and do exercise. I wake up early in the morning and do exercise. This is affirmation you have to make for yourself. So this is an example. If you form a different habit, you can have a different affirmation for that. And the sixth one is resolve until it is being embedded in your subconscious mind. Do practice and practice and practice again and again until unless it makes a permanent. And the last but not the least is reward yourself. Whenever you start working on anything new, your subconscious mind never follows you. You have to give a reward to yourself. If the one day you start working on exercise in the morning, reward yourself for that day that you have done something new. So what happens is subconsciously your mind says, yeah, I'm getting something from it. So it start working on it. So these are the 7 steps to form a habit. So in the end, I will repeat all the 7 steps and hope you will practice and see if they are effective for you as well or not. First, make a decision. Second, never give excuse. Third, tell others. Fourth, have visualization. Fifth, make affirmations. Sixth, what is the sixth one? Resolve until it becomes a permanent. And last but not least is reward yourself. Let me know in the below comments what do you feel about it.